Hey, another Pennsylvania engine. Who are you? Actually, I'm not a Pennsylvania engine. I'm a Norfolk Southern engine. But you say Pennsylvania on your side. I'm what's called a heritage unit. I come from the future. Awesome! Hello, everybody. My name is Jack. And in the last month or so, I've got quite a bit of work done on the layout. Mostly, if you look here, painting the layout. I'm using the method of putting grass down where you paint the Homasote to seal it in so it doesn't absorb the glue and water. Then you water down some glue 50-50 and use that to help the grass get on, the grass flakes. So I have this area done. I have that little bit right there to complete it. I have all this spot by the bridge done and it ends here. And then I have the spot by the transformer and around this curve done. So now what I'm waiting for, I already have this paint. I have more paint because I ran out. This is Rust-Oleum Nutmeg paint. It's normally for furniture, but I'm using it for the paint in the ground. And then I have some green paint that's called Hunt Club Green. And I'm going to use that if I have to wherever I want it to be a darker green underneath or have thicker grass where it hasn't been mowed or something like that. So the reason I haven't painted this part yet, or that part, is because mostly I'm waiting for some pink foam to put down there so I can make hills. My plan is I'm going to put a big hill here and another big hill there, and then I'm going to put little raised up areas, not really hills, kind of around this curve. So it's more like it's cutting through a little valley. More like it was cut through there specifically for the trains. And I moved the station over there from right here, and I put in the trolley line properly. Before, it was just kind of sitting there and it only had 1 or 2 pieces of track. Now it's all set up, electrically even, tucked in right there, with an old lock-on. They used to be my dad's. Right now I have some old puffers of his, some bumpers, and I'm gonna run this trolley on it. I was gonna make a review of it, and I did, but I lost the footage. So at some point in the future, I think I'll make a review of it on the layout once it gets running properly on here. But I'm having problems with it starting and stopping on this 30-inch piece of track. And by the way, all this track is from Menards that I'm gonna run it on. And I made a review of Menards things that I have quite a while ago. So if you want to check that out, click the card in the corner of the screen. Then I simplified some wiring. Before I had 2 wires running, now I have just 1. And I made them the proper wires. And that's just for each post. Right here, I have them all wire nutted together, right here, and if you look there, you probably can't see, but I ran wires to another uncoupling track right behind that station. The problem is the wires keep slipping off right now, so I'll have to get some new ones. Then I moved the uncoupling track from over here to right here, so it's more useful. A little while ago, my baby brother broke off all the people on the buildings. This guy was broken off, the grandpa, and this lady bringing some pie. But it turns out that she got it from the Red Owl. She didn't bake it herself. So she got pushed over by this dog because she found out she was a liar. Then all these people are fixed, except that lady because I couldn't get her to stay. And all the people were broken off except the dogs. So they survived. Even that trash can didn't make it. So these people are discussing law things now, smoking their cigars. These people are finishing their shopping, and this guy's mailing a package now. Everything's like it should be. And then I also fixed these people. They're back on at the shop, but I don't have it on the layout right now. And I don't think I'll put it back because, one, it's busted up. This door came off a while ago, and the light fixtures are broken. And then it's just too big. I don't have a space for it or any track that I could put through it, because the yard can only be so big before it gets into the farmland, and I'm going to put a field there. And then something else I'm having problems with besides the trolley is I opened up the Pennsylvania Flyer a while ago to get it to work again. It wasn't working for a while, and I did improve it a little. The smoke unit was out of place, and that means I was dripping smoke fluid all over the outside of the smoke unit and making it all messy and damaging the heater because it didn't have smoke fluid when I was trying to run it. But it's okay now. But now I think because of that lack of smoke fluid, when I tried it, it burnt a hole maybe, or melted a hole through the side. And now it's leaking smoke everywhere, and I mean everywhere, underneath the shell of the engine. It doesn't even come out of the stack because it's just easier for the smoke to come out around the wheels. I admit it does look really cool, but that means that something's wrong. So that's bad. And also it runs very slow, and I'll show you now.
Wow, that is slow.
And that's maximum power. It's not supposed to run that slow. Before, it was the fastest engine I have, now it's the slowest. So if you had some advice or any experience working on these, and you know what could help, tell me in the comments to make it run faster. So that'll be it for this video. Pretty soon I'm gonna put the hill in once I can get some foam and finish painting elsewhere. I might put some sand in the yard by the time the next update is out. And if you like the video, leave a like and subscribe for updates, and hit the bell so you get notifications when I post. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!